For number 7 is Stonehenge. The set of historic stone monuments known as Stonehenge is an iconic landmark and is one of the most famous sites in the UK and one of the most visited tourist attraction in the world. It's true. It is a prehistoric monument. It consists of a ring of standing stones, each around 13 feet, 7 feet wide, and weighing around 25 tons. It is really heavy. It is located in Wiltshire, England. Since Stonehenge was added to the list of UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1986, yearly visitors have skyrocketed to over 1.5 million. And a fact about it is that the monument stones possess unusual acoustic properties. When struck, they produce a loud clanging sound, so they are known as ringing rocks. Nice name. For number 6 is the Christ the Redeemer. You have probably seen the photos reflecting the throbs of people huddled beneath the massive white replica of Christ. Christ the Redeemer is an Art Deco statue of Jesus Christ created by French sculptor Paul Landowski and built by Brazilian engineer Heitor da Silva Costa. Literally, they are so talented. It is located in Brazil, Corcovado, Rio de Janeiro. The statue, one of the 7 wonders of the world, casts its shadow over some 1.8 million visitors per year. A fact about it is that due to the statue's mountain top position, it's prone to lightning strikes and gets hit around 3 to 6 times a year. That sounds sad. Number 5 is Acropolis of Athens. This ancient ruin of Athens dangle above the scenic cliffside of Greece. Despite ongoing restoration projects, hordes of onlookers continue to flock to the site year after year. Acropolis of Athens is an ancient citadel which contains the remains of several ancient buildings of great architectural and historic significance. The most famous being the Parthenon, honestly difficult to pronounce. It is located on a rocky outcrop above the city of Athens, Greece. The tourism community sees close to 4 million tourists every year. And a fact about it is that the marble required to build the Acropolis was a monumental task, as the quarried mountain Pentaculus was located 10 miles to the northeast of Athens. Number 4 is my most favorite place, that is Eiffel Tower. Located in the heart of Paris, the most romantic city in the world. The Eiffel Tower has become a universal symbol of travel and a popular tourist destination. It is named after the engineer Gustave Eiffel, whose company designed and built the tower. Its height is 300 meters to top, and the top floor is 276 meters. That's very huge in length. It was founded in 1889. It is located in Camp de Mars in Paris, France. A visit to Eiffel Tower tops many travel lists, and it's no surprise considering the 7 million visitors who snap selfies under the 81-story building. And a fact about it is that Gustave Eiffel kept a small apartment of 3rd floor for entertaining friends. It is now open to public. Now for number 3 is the Great Wall of China. Everyone knows about it. Considered one of the greatest man-made structures in the world, the Great Wall of China stretches over 13,000 miles. It is the collective names of a series of fortification systems to protect and consolidate territories of Chinese states and empires against various nomadic groups of the steppe and their policies. It is 21,196 km in length and same in size and diameter too. That's very big. It is located on northern borders of China and spans over 15 regions in North China. It receives 10 million tourists every year, and the best time to visit is arguably autumn. That's amazing. And a fact about it is that the Great Wall of China cannot be seen from space by the human eye without aid. Now for number 2 is the Great Pyramid of Giza. It might be surprising to learn that a desolate desert in the Middle East has now become the second greatest tourist destinations in the world. It is the oldest and largest of the 3 pyramids in the Giza Pyramid Complex. It is the oldest of the 7 wonders of the ancient world and the only one to remain largely intact. That's pretty amazing. Its base is 230.34 meters in length or 440 Egyptian royal cubits with a volume of 2.6 million meter cube approx. The world-famous tomb is now responsible for a spectacular 14.7 million visitors per year. And a fact about it is that it stands only about 455 feet tall as 4 millennia of erosion has sliced 25 feet of stone from the structure. That's bad. Number 1 is Niagara Falls, and then we arrive in North America at a tourist destination that's frequented more than all of the other sites by over double the visitors. Niagara Falls is a massive set of 3 waterfalls with an astounding 6 million cubic feet of water gushing over the falls every minute. I hope everyone dreams to visit. It is located on the border of New York, US and Ontario, Canada, and is situated on the Niagara River, which drains Lake Erie into Lake Ontario. The site is currently estimated to host 30 million tourists annually. That's literally huge. And a fact about it is that it is illegal in the world to make an attempt to go over the falls, and those who do so are fined $1,000. And this all makes it the most visited tourist attraction in the world.